I'm finally home.
Happy birthday! Let's put this in our vlog.
March pa ron, Ryan, ha? June 8. Dali na, March pa ka ron.
Isa din. Sa mag-birthday sa Isa-isa lagi. Uy, Zig, you share. Share kayo, share.
What's your words ba? Hawaiian.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Hawaiian mo na sila.
Meron kami sunod. Okay. Bye! Zig! Let's go home now. Bye, Ran! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! It's a prank! Oh no! Wow! Go, Zeke! Oh, good job! Good job! Go, James! Artista yan! Medium! Go, Teacher Jen! Go, boys! Go, Teacher lang! Palingot na, medium! Go! Uy, Zik! Ano mo na? Uy, sira. Sayang ko. Say hi!
Hello.
Why did you leave early, guys? May pa-ice cream po si Madam.
Why did you leave? You had ice cream, bro. I told you already. TJ, James, y'all got no chance. Yeah, you got no chance.
No, guys. You three, God. We got five, we got a lot of points. Now go some.
Hi, Zik. What's your costume today? This is for the vlog. Hi, scientist.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like a big I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Si Jace yung si Ryan sabay.
Together with their parents, will approach the air.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders.
Ezekiel V. Similia, General Excellence Honors Certificate, Excellence in CLE, Music, PE, and IT Certificate.
Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. Deep and abiding, like in
Now, face your parents and guardians and sign a thank you as well.
Gibson, I will do everything I can for you.
Hoy, congratulations, boy! Congrats!
see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Congrats, Dong. Congrats. What do you want for your recognition gift? Huh? What do you want? You tell us. Huwag ka nang mag-phone. Huwag na akong mag-phone na kasi it's expensive. You know how much it is? Gcash, how much? How much on Gcash? 5,000. 500. Is that enough na? Eh, congrats. Paano yan? Hindi ka makaplay ng Roblox pag wala kang data sa iPad mo. Hindi ka makaplay ng data pag wala kang data. But paano pag walang laptop? Congratulations! That's for you! Open mo, open. Congratulations! Mga yan, ito may open. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go! Open, hurry up! Para! Dun, 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 dun. Do you like your gift? Zik, gusto mo ang gift mo? Ito para.
Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Del. Congrats! Ano sabi? Wapa ko try. Takiang pa more.
You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. Every moment with you is a treasure. In your eyes I find my pleasure. Hand in hand we'll walk the path ahead. With you by my side I have